Hello everyone, and welcome back to my lab. Last time we checked and reviewed the ePrint from Longer. We got a lot of feedbacks and positive comments, and many people asked to go more deep in dive and check more materials. If you missed the previous video, go on the home page and click and search for ePrint. You can find the previous video. Last time we checked the 3D embossed, some multi-material, 3D printing on the t-shirt and many other stuff. This time we are going to search and check. We go to print the DTF and after we go to see some other features. So let's check together. Let's test out the DTF printing feature. The ePrint can directly print on DTF transfer film using both white and color ink at the same time. This feature is actually a big deal. A standalone DTF print alone can cost around $1,000, but for the ePrint it's basically a built bonus. For a small business owner, having an all-in-one machine like this one can save a lot of money. Once the print is done, we sprinkle on some hot melt powder. We shake off the excess and after we can heat it to cure it here. Yes, we can put it just like this. The final step is the heat pressing. We press it onto a cotton, peel off the film, and look at that. The colors are vibrant, the lines are crispy. Whatever you're printing of cotton, canvas or polyester, the results are incredible. All these are washable, durable, and so stunning to look. It's perfect for a small batch or also for your merchandising, for example. Now, let's take a look of a raw material printing with lamination. The ePrint supports 4 modes: flatbed, rotatory, roll, and conveyor, making it incredibly versatile for all kinds of printing setups. This type, we're printing some custom themed stickers. Look, the results are stunning. Vibrant color, strong white ink coverage, and overall excellent quality. And now, just stick our Christmas decals to our cups, glass, bottle, books, wallet, whatever we want. Just so easy. We can just stick and put like this one. And it's done. In a few seconds, we personalize our Christmas gift. Instead of go outside, make shopping and spend hours to find the perfect decoration, we can just print our own Christmas decals and put on our favorite items. Check this out. Print, stink, smooth it out, peel, done. It's just 3 easy steps. We got a custom skateboard and only cost about $1 to make it.
And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. So from the 3D embossing, the DTF and to the raw print, I have to admit that this e-print from Longer truly impressed me. The dual head high-speed system, the AI and the auto printing function work so well that really, if you need a UV printer, you cannot miss the chance to give a look on this printer from Longer, because it's one of the best that I tried until now. So thank you again for watching me, and see you to the next video.